Last week, market performance was more mixed compared to some recent exuberance as investors continued to evaluate an expensive stock market and an uncertain interest rate outlook. As we cross into October, the main event in markets this week is the monthly employment report on Friday. The labor market is why the Fed cut rates this month, and it's why it plans to cut rates even further. There are signs the employment picture has weakened, as we highlighted in our monthly webinar last week. There are fewer job openings per worker, hiring demand is weaker, and it appears there's less wage-setting power for job switchers. But atop this list is the collapse in estimated new payroll jobs created per month, and forecasters expect that September delivered another slow pace of job growth. But unless outright layoffs pick up from here, then we think the labor market is still maybe not as bad as the markets and the Fed currently see it. As it's the first week of the month, we'll also see the latest ISM manufacturing and services indices, which we follow closely for snapshots on hiring, prices, and general economic activity. The narrative in markets, and advanced by Fed policymakers, is that labor market risks outweigh inflation risks, and in response, the Fed is moving to lower interest rates, which in turn supports bond and equity prices. These reports will give a bit of information on this balance and whether it's appropriate going forward. Markets have also been attentive to the weekly jobless claims data for signs of increased layoff activity, and we'll see that latest report on Thursday. Fed policymakers will be synthesizing all this information in real time and conveying their views to markets throughout the week, with at least 8 scheduled speaking engagements. Markets will be tuning in to make sure that their expectations for rate cuts at the October and December meetings are still priced correctly. So, things to watch this week: the employment report on Friday, ISM indices, jobless claims, and Fed speeches.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth FCW is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bancshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bancshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.